Another airplane yoke going out here at Kraft Customs. We do a lot of these. This one is off of a Beechcraft, and I guess he'll be sending the second one in after he gets this one back. But most people send both of them in, and we reupholster them or upholster them. They come into us just a old, usually chipped up powder coat painted part, and so we clean them all up, smooth them all out, and then upholster them in this high-end leather. It just makes them look and feel amazing. The touch that you get from the high-end leather on these feels so much more comfortable in flying, as well as really upgrades and makes your interior much more luxurious. So every steering wheel and every steering yoke, we do them all here at Kraft Customs. Reach out to us at craftcustoms.com or give us a call at 214-564-1170 and we can help you as well. We look forward to working with you, and as always at Kraft Customs, you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.